Hyderabad ki already did oka movie chesaru. So we all know you from your serial like Ek Veera. So we all know you from that. So akkadi nunchi ikkadiki ela anipinchindi, how is your journey from serial actor to so ippudu movies lo cheyadam ela anipinchindi?
Hero. What's your name again, Baba?
Hema Malini.
Heroine name, yeah? Hi, Hema Malini. See, I don't think I can sum up this journey in like a few words, for sure. Telugu కొంచెం